Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a room tour. I live in university halls, if you didn't know. I thought this would be a good video to film if anyone's also moving into university halls, just to give you a bit of inspiration. I mean, my room isn't that great, and I also didn't decorate it like too much because I am moving out in like a couple months. So here is my door. It did have a like hook on it, however, within like the first day it snapped off, so clearly not very reliable. Then we have the wardrobes. I guess I'll show you. They're kind of a mess. I can't just do everything in before I film this video, but here I have some shoes, a yoga mat. Then here I have some more shoes down there, some clothes. It's kind of a mess. Except I would just like to point out this way of hanging. It's ridiculous. I don't know who decided to make it so that it goes back like that. Very inefficient. Now coming over to the next ones.
You look like Rachel Riley.
What?
You look like Rachel Riley.
Is that?
The girl from Countdown.
Then I have some, it's meant to be jumpers, activewear, but it kind of all got a wee bit messed up. Then here I have jumpers and jackets and tops. There actually is like not
There's a mirror in there
a
as
bad
well.
amount. Oh yeah. There isn't actually a bad amount of storage. I feel like I thought I wasn't going to be able to fit all my clothes in, but it's not that bad. I did have to buy some more storage, but we'll get to that. Okay, now coming over here. So I have this pin board, and I just have tons of photos. This does underneath it have some like, not like emergency numbers and like things that UNI give you. I'm not sure if we are not actually meant to cover that up, but...
You took a note of them though, didn't you?
No. But I'm sure you can find those numbers online if you need them. Anyway, down here, this bit's kind of a mess. This is where I throw like all my stuff that I don't have anywhere to put. And I have my washing basket. Then here I have some cards. I have this cool thing, which is like a glitter lamp, like a lava lamp, but glitter. I know that people think lava lamps are like for kids, but this is cool. I also have a calendar here, which I don't really have anywhere to put, so I just pick it. And then I have a bottle mold line. This is actually meant to be for Christmas, but then I just never drank it. And I have some almonds if I get peckish while I'm in here and I want to go to the kitchen. I have a mirror. This one's great because it's got a wee like shelf underneath. It's from IKEA. Then here I have some books in colour order. I have some crystals down there. Don't really know if I believe in all that stuff, but they look nice. And I've got this wee thing that Danny gave me, so I kept that in there. Up here I have a jewellery holder, and I have some perfumes. These aren't all my perfumes because some of them are Danny's flat, but these are the ones I've got here. Oh, also I had quite a few plants in my room, but they were all kind of dying, so I took them home so that my mum could bring them back to life, because it gets really hot in here, so I don't even know if I'd really recommend plants. Like, they look nice, but
Just touch it. We're alright.
here I've got some tissues and pens, some makeup brushes. These aren't all of them because a lot of my makeup's packed away.
The important stuff, hashtag grind.
Wait, no, I haven't got to that bit yet.
Oh, sorry.
I also have some photos down there. You know, just some random things. This is my copy of Romeo and Juliet that Danny got me for Christmas last year. And it's like over 100 years old. And then here I've got photo, I've got a Paris Eiffel Tower statue, and this box has some earrings in it. Up here I've got a gin glass, a candle. You're not allowed to burn candles in here though, so that's just for decoration. I've got this diffuser. Oh my god. Got this diffuser, which actually turned out to smell really bad, but it's finished now. Have these glasses.
Put them on.
These aren't mine, these are Danny's.
Oh.
Delico. Thumbnail. I also have some fairy lights along here. I have this big Paris sketch, I guess, which I got from TK Maxx. And then Danny just put this cookbook up there. It's
just adds to the whole thing.
So in this bit I just have some notebooks, and then I've got my folders for the 3 subjects I do. I actually never really use those boxes, but they're handy to have in case I need to put just some extra notes in them. So coming over here we have my view It's actually really nice. I like this view. We have these curtains, which are pretty ugly, but can't do anything about that. Also, some of the rooms have a blue wall, I believe, but mine thankfully doesn't. I do have some cacti down here because these don't really.
Wait, what was that again? Was it plural?
I do have cactus. I don't know. I do have some cacti down here.
Yeah.
Because they don't really die. And then I have a photo here of some of my friends. Also, I want to mention that these sticker things were from my decorating for Halloween video, and I just never took them down. Okay, so now we're coming over to my bed. I have this lamp from IKEA, possibly. It's kind of broken though, to be honest. I have this fluffy pillow, I think it's from Primark. This one that my mum got me with my dog on it. I have all white bedding. And then this grey blanket, I think it's also from Primark. I have some toys over there. Under my bed, I have a box with like skincare stuff. Then I have another big box with some more clothes. I also have an extension cable. Don't know if we're actually really allowed to have these, but I have this mirror, which is from IKEA. Then I have this chair, which just has kind of a bunch of random stuff on it. Then I have my guitar. And now we'll go into the toilet. Also, there is a light up here, which turns on the main light. So at night you don't have to get up and turn the light off because it's right next to you, so that's really handy. So in my toilet it's kind of small, but I'll try and show you the best I can. This is meant to be for like washing up, like a washing up rack. However, I couldn't figure out how to get it down, so I just had to hang my towels on there, like my hand towels. And here in my sink I've got some skincare stuff, I've got some soap. I bought these things from IKEA just to make it look a bit nicer. There's a light up here, also the fan is so noisy. Then here I've got this thing which is really handy except it broke, so it doesn't really work. There's this thing to hang towels there, so that's where I usually hang it. However, when I go for a shower I have to take it off because the water just goes everywhere. Then I have the shower, you get this shelf in your showers, I've just got my stuff. Also a note, well I've got a bath mat down there, but the water like runs out the shower, so it kind of just soaks the whole place. So that's my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and maybe give you some inspo if you're moving out. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Okay. So what are you doing on?